is up, you guys? My name is Nicole and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I did the freaking passion twist, and it took me 3.5 hours. I was kind of rushing, but then I was kind of slowing down. I normally have a crochet needle, but because I can't find my crochet needle, I had to kind of wing it and braid it at the root. It's real simple though, it's not complicated. And I did not use any edge control. I did everything that is healthy for my hair, because edge control can cause breakage if you do use it on your hair. And I plan on leaving these in for at least 3 weeks. So I want to make sure that my hair is really nourished, really moisturized and hydrated. And I also deep condition. You want to deep condition. It'll definitely help with the frizz. This is how my hair turned out. I don't like them too perfect. I like them to have a little bit of, I like them different sizes. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I do see the new subscribers that have came in, and I really want to say I appreciate your support. But for those that did not subscribe, we're waiting.
Go on, honey. Take a chance.
Follow me on my socials, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. And the hair that I'm going to be using is the FreeTress braiding hair, water wave. It's 22 inches. And I got it in 1B, since you guys know that I did dye my hair jet black. For the products that I'm going to be using, I'm going to be using the TGIN Honey Curls Custard. This is the oil that I'm going to be finished with. It's called Island Oil. My aunt put me onto it. And then, of course, rubber bands. My hair is freshly washed. Yeah, I'm just going to section off my hair. So let's get on to the video. Yes, I'm done with my roots. I'm not gonna lie, this whole entire process of doing the root area took, oh my god, probably an hour. It took probably an hour. If you have long hair like me, just be prepared to pay some money, because this is definitely taking up somebody's time. The twisting part is going to be a breeze, and all we got to do is just twist them, braid and twist. I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So I got 4 packs, and this is what the hair looks like. I'm going to cut this in half. 1, we don't want to waste any hair. 2, we just don't need this much. So we're going to cut this in half. Then you should have 2 pieces. You're just gonna start in the back. So before we start this full entire video, I just want to walk you guys through it step by step, as in-depth as possible. So in case it throws you off, this is why. So the first thing you want to do is place the hair right on top of the hair. Nothing else, nothing less. And you want to make sure that it is above the rubber band. So you want to start braiding that within the rubber band, and you have not conjoined your hair with the fake hair just yet. Next, you're going to split your hair in half, and you're going to put your hair into each of the twisty things. And then you're going to start twisting.
One, two, three, funk it.
So I see a lot of you guys get confused with this part. If the curl does not naturally curl that way, the way they made it to, it will unravel and it will not look right. Make sure you are curling it the way that it's supposed to, and if you need to see how you should curl it, do it the way I'm doing it, and you will see how it'll naturally curl. And then once you feel like you've braided enough, you're going to start twisting half of your hair into one section and then the other half into the other, and then you're just going to twist. Okay, so I'm going to do one more. You want to grab one, you're not going to take it apart. I hope y'all can see. You want to braid it and then add some hair into this one, wrap around, and then just go straight into twisting. Your twist. You always want to make sure that you band them, or wrap a rubber band around them, and then cut off any excess. You know where your hair stopped at. I'm twisting past my hair. So yeah, that's the 2 twists. This one came out way better, but I do not comb out the hair. This is all I'm using, because this alone, oh my god, y'all, this alone works so freaking good. So like I said, just grab one, cut this in half. So this is your single piece for one section. I'll just show you guys some looks. So like you can do this one. You can do a half up, half down. So when you take them down, you can do the middle. The middle's cute. It makes me look my age. I definitely look my age with the middle one. This is so cute. Then you can also do the deep side part. You gotta pin it. So here's the bun. You can do the bun. For the bun, I went and got a scrunchie. And the buns are super cute. The pony's cute. It's cute. You can kind of island girl it out, you know. It's so cute. This is how they turned out. Real cute. And you can even sleep with them like this. So this is how they turned out, y'all. And it probably took me about 4 hours. I usually have a crochet for these type of things, but I can't find my crochet needle, so I had to braid it at the scalp and just pray that it stayed. So this is how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you want me to do any other types of styles, I'll be glad to do so. I hope to see you guys in my next video, and be safe. Bye.